gonna learn how to make homemade mini pizzas. To start, don't forget to wash your hands with soap. What you'll need is to turn on the oven to 60 degrees. Next, get a chopping board and put it on the bench. Ingredients for your mini pizza. You will need to take one of the wraps from the packet and put it on the chopping board like this. You will get the tomato paste right here and then open the lid and get a butter knife, and then you will need to spread it all over the wrap. You need to get the cheese and open it up. Then you get like how much you want and just sprinkle it all over the pizza. It's gonna be adding ham, but if you don't want to, you don't have to. And so when you're gonna use, if you will do ham, if you're gonna use a sharp knife, I would rather ask your parents or your guardian to help you, or like for you to make you have a safe start. Cut it into small pieces so then you can fit a lot of ham on there. Oh, and cut like downwards so then you don't cut yourself. You need to sprinkle the ham all over the pizza. You don't have to use all of it, but just to make sure, I just like to bit. If there's a cat or a dog who wants some cheese, like him, you can just give it to him. Up to Daisy? Up to Daisy? No. Okay. Next you will need to, after that you will need to slide the pizza onto the tray. And try not to spill any stuff on the floor. It would be really handy to use either one of those like the gloves.
A tea towel or gloves?
Or a tea towel, gloves. Then you will need to pull down the tray and put the pizza in. But for 8 minutes. Take it out of the oven because it will be super duper hot for you. After that, you make sure you definitely turn off the oven. Cool down until it's the right temperature for you. Your parent or guardian needs to cut it. It is time to eat it.